As a band, choir, or orchestra director, you need a 5-star, highly respected travel provider that focuses on music directors and music performance travel. One that is led by accomplished scholastic music directors and musicians who possess years of expertise and knowledge about moving music groups through various destinations and events. You deserve a travel company that provides a tour director right by your side 24/7 throughout the entire trip. We provide your travelers mobile apps, cutting-edge individual traveler registration, and online payments at no additional fee. The MTC Directors Portal offers real-time traveler lists and easy ways to create spreadsheets with account balances, room lists, bus and flight lists. We also include tools to collect individual flight information and arrange flights through commercial air or charter services. We even generate lists of chaperone groups and student assignments. Our fundraiser payment feature allows you to make a single transaction where the funds are automatically distributed to individual accounts. You'll receive automatic invoice generation tools and a foolproof way for your group to pay invoices sent directly to the travelers. Don't forget, we also manage the trip itinerary, meals, transportation, accommodations, activities, tickets, and entertainment. Rest assured, you have a travel partner that even arranges performances, instrument rentals, rehearsal facilities, and the resources to set up educational clinics. You deserve a travel provider that knows your students' performance is your main focus without the worry of travel details. Contact Music Travel Consultants today and leave the planning to us. MTC, with you every step of the way.